आज यिनले चाहिँ भात खान सुरु गर्ने दिन पनि संयोगवश
हो कि
जुरेको
भात खुवाइ भएछ आज
हजुर प्लेनमै आकाशमै भात खुवाइ भनौँ आफ्नै देशमा भात खुवाइ भएको
40,000 फिट हो यो आफ्नै देश हो नि जहाज भनेको
त्यही त नि त्यो त्यसमा चाहिँ एकदमै खुसी लागिरहेको छ
Brother, my buddy, my friend, Georgie, how is the aircraft? Perfecto.
Special for you.
आउँछ किन हप अप भयो भने चाहिँ यत्रो लामो फ्लाइट छ है हिटर अन गरेर गाडी चलाएछ समरमा के भयो हेलो देखाउँ न है दिस इज प्रोग्नोस्टिक चार्ट हामीहरूलाई कतिको विन्ड छ के छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यसरी थाहा हुन्छ all getting ready for my first flight to Narita after a very long time, but there's some weather. I'm just calling Flight Operation International IOCC just to check on the weather. Cyclonic effects on arrival costo I don't know, let me just I think they must be quite busy also. Let me try another one. Okay, खबर आयो अनुसार चाहिँ अलिकति वेदर छ सो वी जस्ट लुकिङ एट इट अब हामीले कसरी उड्ने कसरी मिलाउने भन्ने कुरा छ फ्लाइटमा आउँदैछु मोटेले भर्खर दुःख दिइसक्यो हेर्नुहोस् है अब यस्तो यो मैले नि यो मोटे हो मेरो भाइ यो मोटेले मलाई दुःख दिइसक्यो अहिले आउँछु किन हप अप भयो भने चाहिँ यत्रो लामो फ्लाइट छ है हिटर अन गरेर गाडी चलाएछ समरमा के भयो हेलो तिमीलाई के भयो यस्तो तिमी नै भन्छ भाइ हो पाइन्छ के पाइन्न हजुरलाई के भयो यस्तै छ हामी परिवार हौ कि सो क्याच यु फ्रम द एयरपोर्ट I've just arrived at the IOCC. I know this as FY. Nirmal is there. All these people are going to dispatch me, but there's some weather issues in Narita, right? That is Monica, another dispatcher. I'll go. Kesar, Bhavani. That's Bhavani. Jai Bhavani. Vishnu. I have just been handed over the flight plan folder. I know. This is what we get. This is our folder. I will just show you Nepal Airlines. We have a very special folder. Flight plan documentation. Flight number is 433. Aircraft type is A330. I know. Anikari registration is 9 of November. Alpha Lima Yankee. Anikari ALY. So we have our departure time is 17:15. That is Zulu time. Greenwich Mean Time. I know. Kathmandu Narita. September 30, 2021. Captain V Lama. Yochen ADC FIC. Air Defense Clearance. Hey, Dhaka ko yo. Okay, हामीले फोल्डर हेरिसक्यौँ यो फोल्डरमा हुने भनेको यही सबै देखाउँ न है दिस इज प्रोग्नोस्टिक चार्ट हामीहरूलाई कतिको विन्ड छ के छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यसरी थाहा हुन्छ one big dot यो triangle is equivalent to 50 knots small ones are 10 knots को हुन्छ हैन so you can see the wind is so strong also 380 level मा है 380 मा अरु त अब लगभग I have already taken all the information so guys this is what we do. There's a lot of other documentation. I will only come to you once I'm done with that. Jai Chandrasekhar. All my crew members are now leaving, going. This is the departure area, and I'm walking to the aircraft is parked very close by, and our aircraft is right there. My beautiful aircraft. Engineering totally. Marshalling. It's everybody's dream to fly Airbus 330. It's a big aircraft. So we are very privileged. Nepal Airlines हो भने हामीले यसरी brand new जहाज उडाउनु पाउनु भनेको this is our luck and we are blessed. I came before the rest of the crew members also. So let's see. I think Georgie will be working inside the aircraft. That is the cleaning it. I knew that. That is Georgie. I just.
Good evening.
That is Thakur. Aircraft is good? All well?
They fly Zulu, and I saw your name and said, "Oh, my friend must to fly with the Yankee because LD Senior is here."
Okay. For the crew, LDMCR is very important. Thank you so much.
I know, and they coming to complain to you.
Yeah, they'll come to complain to me. LDMCR is lower deck crew rest compartment. It's very important because we are crew. We are two sets of crew. One set will sleep and go because we have to come back. Normally this flight is done on a layover basis, but because of the COVID we are not able to do layovers. But we are hoping very soon we'll also get an entry in Japan so that we don't have to fly back like that all the time. It's a very long flight. Yes?
Yes, true.
The man behind A330. The man behind A330. Engineer Sahabarle, they give us aircrafts like this. So see, for me, whatever they give me, they sign off. That is what I accept. Brother, my buddy, my friend, Georgie, how is the aircraft? Perfecto.
Special for you.
Special with LDMCR.
Yeah.
Thakur is also there.
Nobody come to disturb you in this room.
Okay. Nobody will come to disturb me. They are, for us, if you ask, our engineer sahabarhai, hamra jun jahaj dinunhuncha, it's amazing. And Georgie is a fantastic human being. But we are going to miss you, Georgie. I hope you are not going to leave us now. Janchu bhanira chai rokdinuhoस् न please. I'm asking everybody to stop you from leaving. Anyway, that is it. This is what we get. अब हामीहरुको यो हाम्रो टेक लग भन्छ. यो टेक लगमा सबै इन डिटेल इन्फर्मेसनहरु हुन्छ. जहाज ठीक छ छैन. अब मैले साइन मात्रै गर्ने हो. I'll sign and this is the time that I write 1637. मैले यो sign off गरेको समय लेख्ने. Over there.
No, I don't need.
Okay, he doesn't need that. Naam lekhnu parcha. See? Now he'll sign me off. Finally we made it to direct. When was last thing? 30, 32, 34. But the surface was about 28. This is not bad. Namaste. You just have a look. See, this is how it is now. Terrible one. Yes? Just want to show this, okay? One was very heavy and then we had to take a different swamp tango approach. This is what they are doing, taking. Yes, roundness, business, all selfies. तपाईँको टाइमर निकाल्नु पर्छ अनि thank you. Okay, thank you. Signature here. 4 pieces.
Yes.
Wait. Hold. No, wait.
wait.
नमस्कार
यहाँ सबै नाइट हल गर्नु थाल्यो होइन अब
हजुर हाम्रो बाहेक अरूहरूको सबै
हाम्रो बाहेक अरूले गर्नु थाल्यो होइन भेरी गुड विल अल्सो बी डुइङ इट
हाम्रो पनि सायद अब छिटै हुन्छ कि
है छिटै होला नि अब
आशा गरौँ
आशा गरौँ है एकैछिन है
मेरो छोराले फोटो खिच्नु
हो र फ्यान्टास्टिक ए ओके गुड
यसरी भिडियो हो
ठिक छ नो प्रब्लम The whole day the weather is like this here today. It's getting worse, okay? We have to move out fast. है नमस्ते सानो मान्छे ठुलो मान्छे
हजुरलाई रिक्वेस्ट गर्न मिल्छ र
मिल्छ नि गर्दैन एउटा फोटो खिच्दिने अरे दिस वाट दे अलवेज डु
अस्ति गीत पनि हेरेँ
हजुर थ्याङ्क यू सो मच
डान्स पनि हेरेँ पुसअप पनि हेरेँ
राइट
ल कान्छे कमान फेरि एकैछिन नो
उहाँहरूले पनि मलाई ब्लगमा फलो गर्नुहुन्छ अरे है ल आउनुहोस् त खिच्नुहोस् अनि जय चन्द्र सूर्य ल गुड
Thank you.
Thank you. There you go. Look. This is my life actually. This is what I do all the time.
एकदमै खुसी लाग्यो विदेशसँग है सधैँ हेरिन्छ मात्रै
उहाँ र म ठोक्काउँछु क्यामेरा That is what we are also doing. So cheers. Good. जाउँ अब we're getting late now. ल
एकदम खुसी लाग्यो आजको क्षण बहुत राम्रो ल
लगाउनुहोस् मौसम टन्नै छ अब ल है This is what they always do. I can't even stand anywhere and then they keep but it's okay. तपाईलाई भित्र भेटौँला है Okay, we'll meet you inside. ल राम्रो हुनु होला है ल जय चन्द्र सूर्य This is what happens, you know, I asked them to make a coffee and then I'm out here. Well, Narita, here we come. You can literally hear the rain. My coffee? Thank you.
नमस्कार
Namaste. Namaste. Loading it. Well, this is my body. Captain, how is the situation? How's the weather? How many hours from here to Kathmandu?
We have got around 7 hours and 40 minutes.
There's a cyclonic effect also.
There is cyclone effect. Wind is a little bit high and expect some more turbulence during the takeoff and in till maybe 1.5 to 2 hours.
Yeah.
Expect some turbulence. And the wind is pretty high now.
Other than that, it's good.
Yeah, other than it's okay.
Yeah, I can show you the rain outside also. Look,
And it's gusting now.
it's gusting up to 34. 26?
Yeah, 36 now.
36. See? And that is Babu Sahib here.
Hello.
Hi there. Look, all set now, Cap?
Also, we are in new passenger getting on board, so we'll be moving very soon.
So that is Captain M.M. Nongol. He's my friend, my buddy, but he's my guru.
Yeah.
One batch senior to me. He was the one who actually taught me how to fly in the domestic. And I don't mind saying that because I own up to everything that is good. Haina?
Yeah.
Remember all those Nepalganj days? We used to go and stay like 4 nights, 5 nights, yeah?
We've been working for so many years.
Yeah, we've been working together for more than, now nearly 4 decades actually, to be honest with you. I'm nearing 35 years, you're already 37 years in Nepal Airlines. So this is how, I don't know, we have given our entire peak of our time, right? Babu Sahib is also going to do the same thing after many years. He's going to say the same thing. I know, Babu Sahib.
Also, thank you, sir.
What is that now?
I'm just looking for the departure.
Okay, great.
The
So
departure.
this is what we are. We are totally computerized. That's called EFB, electronic flight bag.
Right.
That is what we have in our iPads, right?
Yes.
These are the emergency.
And we have also changed our route now. So before route is it's in a typhoon route, so we changed our route.
You have
now.
changed,
We
right?
put
Re
another
course
route
yourself.
and
That's
to
good.
avoid the typhoon.
Okay, that is very important. Thank you, Cap.
Okay.
Catch you in a while. It's
Yes,
your
you.
time. I got it here with Prasant. Now they are going to take us back home.
Okay.
Jai Chandra Surya, eh?
Bye bye.
Back where there's still, you can see the rain, weather's still the same, you know, and there's a lot of rain, a lot of strong wind. We are parked at Bay 93.
अन्य जानकारीको लागि यहाँको अगाडि सिट विकल्पमा राखिएका सुरक्षा निर्देशिका अध्ययन गर्नुहोला। नेपाल वायु सेवामा यहाँको यात्रा सुखमय होस्।
Just took off. It's quite bouncy. I hope it'll clear out in a while. So we still have about 2 more hours. Still have 2 more hours.
आज यिनले चाहिँ भात खान सुरु गर्ने दिन पनि संयोगवश जुरेको
भात खुवाइ भएछ आज
हजुर प्लेनमै आकाशमै भात खुवाइ भनौँ आफ्नै देशमा भात खुवाइ भएको
40,000 फिट हो यो आफ्नै देश हो नि जहाज भनेको
त्यही त नि त्यो त्यसमा चाहिँ एकदमै खुसी लागिरहेको छ
ल ल बधाई छ तपाईँहरूलाई
नानीलाई एउटा चाहिँ
हाम्रो जहाजको खाना है
इभेन्ट पनि सम्झना लागेको नि भयो सधैँभरिको लागि नमस्ते भन
होला
नमस्ते भन
Just landed in Kathmandu. That's 4:05 in the afternoon. We started our duty at 8 o'clock. That was the time we started getting ready last night. So it's about 20 hours, 19-20 hours of our duty time. Long duty hours. So that's you. Thank you for always watching and supporting my vlog. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you.